Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to Chief Executive Officer of Seri Semi Abim Sungai Ramal, Encik Nazir Saifuddin Abdul Rahim, Headmistress of Seri Abim Sungai Ramal, Puan Rogayah binti Sebli.
Greeting and warmest welcome to our honorable guests, Professor Yuki Shiozaki from Shizuoka University, Dr. Yuri Ishida from Okayama University, and Professor Datuk Dr. Muhammad Fauzan Nordin, Director of IIIT ISIA, International Institute of Islamic Thought East, Southeast Asia, Senior Assistant Teachers of Seri Semi and Heads of Departments Seri Abim Sungai Ramal.
Praise to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, we have been graced by the chance to celebrate our guests that have come to visit our beloved school and perhaps will part us with new insight that we can use as a guide to sail to greatness in the future, inshallah.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on, let us begin with the recitation of dua that will be led by Ayman Daniel bin Misran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan kami, hanya padamu sahaja kami panjangkan kesyukuran atas segala rahmat dan berkat-Mu. Bersempena dengan majlis pada hari ini, kami memohon inayah dan taufik-Mu, kurniakanlah kesejahteraan dan kebahagiaan kepada kami. Bukakanlah hati-hati kami, lapangkanlah dada-dada kami supaya kami dapat mengisi ilmu dan pengetahuan yang berguna untuk agama, bangsa dan negara. Ya Allah, ya Rahmanir Rahim, kami memohon kepadamu agar engkau berkatilah majlis ini dengan limpahan rahmat-Mu. Semoga segala usaha kami dalam menjayakan majlis ini mendapat keredaan dan hidayah-Mu. Sesungguhnya pada hari ini kami berkumpul kerana-Mu, ya Allah. Kami berkumpul untuk menimba ilmu, bertukar pendapat, menyumbangkan buah fikiran, menghubungkan silaturahim dan memberi sokongan ke arah meningkatkan lagi prestasi institusi kami. Ya Allah, ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, kami memohon kekuatan dari hadrat-Mu, ya Allah, supaya kami yang hadir pada hari ini agar kami dapat melaksanakan segala kebajikan. Dan kami pohon perlindungan dengan Engkau daripada melakukan keburukan. Ya Allah, kurniakanlah kepada kami kekayaan ilmu pengetahuan dan hiasilah diri kami dengan sifat lemah lembut. Serta muliakanlah kami dengan ketakwaan dan indahkanlah diri kami dengan kesihatan. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina azaban nar. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Amin, amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. Thank you to Ayman Daniel bin Misran for the recitation of dua just now.
Now, we are going to sing the national anthem of Malaysia, Negaraku, followed by the Abim song, and lastly, the national anthem of Japan, Kimigayo. All attendees are asked to stand up to sing this song.
kanan, Abim bangunkan Ushan. Angkatan belia Islam, angkatan maju cemerlang, mengora langkah lalui cabaran, Abim tertagi berbatu. Bangunlah belia Islam, persiapkan keupayaan, membela kedaulatan, Abim terus ke hadapan. Hadapi masa depan dengan penuh keyakinan, hasrat dirangsangkan, tekad perkuatkan, Abim terus berjasa. Bangunlah belia Islam, persiapkan keupayaan, membela kedaulatan, Abim terus ke hadapan. Hadapi masa depan dengan penuh keyakinan, hasrat dirangsangkan, tekad perkuatkan, Abim terus berjasa. Abim terus berjasa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we continue our agenda with media presentation of Seri Semi Abim Sungai Ramal. Let's watch.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Saya Nazir Saifuddin bin Abdul Rahim, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Sekolah Rendah dan Sekolah Menengah Islam Abim, Sungai Ramal Kajang. Sebagai singkatannya, Seri Abim dan Semi Abim Sungai Ramal Kajang. Sekolah ini telah pun didirikan pada tahun 1989 dan telah pun mencapai usianya selama 33 tahun. Dan untuk pengetahuan bahawa sekolah ini adalah antara sekolah Islam yang pertama didirikan di negara Malaysia ini, dan sekolah ini adalah sekolah yang dibangunkan di bawah sebuah NGO yang dinamakan sebagai Angkatan Belia Islam Abim. Sekolah ini adalah sekolah perjuangan ke arah merealisasikan sekolah perjuangan berpandukan kepada pendidikan al-hikmah. Visi sekolah ini adalah institut pendidikan bersepadu yang unik, cemerlang dan terbilang. Manakala misi sekolah yang pertama, melaksanakan pendidikan cemerlang yang bersepadu, berkualiti dan menyeluruh, berlandaskan kepada falsafah pendidikan al-hikmah. Yang kedua, melahirkan insan yang berperibadi rabbani dan haraki dalam merealisasikan sekolah perjuangan. Yang ketiga, memacu dan membudayakan kecemerlangan sekolah inovasi dan lestari ke peringkat antarabangsa. Yang keempat, memperkasakan profesionalisme dalam pengurusan dan pentadbiran sebagai upaya kecemerlangan sekolah. Sepanjang penubuhan sekolah ini daripada 1989, banyak kejayaan yang telah pun dicapai dan dinikmati, sama ada daripada bidang kurikulum dan juga co-kurikulum dan ekstra co-kurikulum. Sebagai contohnya, guru-guru dan staf mereka telah pun mencapai kejayaan-kejayaan yang amat cemerlang, terutama sekali dalam pertandingan inovasi dan lestari, dan mereka telah mendapat kedudukan yang baik sama ada daripada peringkat negeri, daerah dan juga kebangsaan. Manakala dalam bidang pendidikan, terutama sekali yang melibatkan pelajar-pelajar. Sekolah ini adalah sekolah yang telah mencapai kecemerlangan yang sangat memberangsangkan, terutama sekali dalam peperiksaan-peperiksaan awam yang telah pun diduduki oleh pelajar-pelajar. Dan pada tahun ini juga, pada tahun 2022, sekolah ini telah mendapat pengiktirafan daripada pihak Jabatan Agama Islam dan telah mendapat anugerah sekolah cemerlang bagi kategori sekolah Islam integrasi swasta. Terima kasih juga kepada ibu bapa dan masyarakat kerana terus memberi sokongan dan dorongan dalam kami membina anak bangsa dan agama dalam melahirkan generasi ulul albab dan juga generasi khairul ummah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Puan Rogaya binti Sibli, Guru Besar Seri Abim Sungai Ramal. Sekolah ini menawarkan sistem pendidikan yang bersepadu selama lebih 3 dekad. Kami menerapkan 3 kebitaraan iaitu pembudayaan Al-Quran, adab dan bakti dan kelestarian. Untuk pembudayaan Al-Quran, kami menawarkan sistem 5M iaitu membaca, menulis, menghafal, memahami dan menghayati. Program terkini yang dilaksanakan di sekolah ialah Quranku Sahabatku. Contoh program ialah bacaan Al-Quran pada setiap pagi. Kebitaraan seterusnya ialah adab dan bakti. Sekolah bahasa untuk melahirkan pelajar yang berakhlak dan mempamerkan kebaktian dan adab yang tinggi kepada Allah dan Rasul, ibu bapa, guru dan rakan-rakan. Contoh untuk adab dan bakti ialah kempen untuk makan di kantin dengan beradab dan tertib. Kebitaraan yang ketiga ialah kelestarian, di mana kita ingin melahirkan insan yang ada kepekaan yang tinggi terhadap alam sekitar atau kemahiran dalam menguruskan sumber alam. Contoh pada aktiviti kelestarian ialah murid-muridnya memberi makan ikan. Ada juga aktiviti untuk membersihkan laman lestari yang ada di sekolah. Daripada kebitaraan tadi, sekolah ingin melahirkan insan Rabbani yang dapat memberi manfaat kepada ummah. Saya berharap murid-murid yang dilahirkan dari sistem pendidikan di Seri Abim dapat meneruskan pendidikan di Sekolah Menengah Islam Abim kerana mempunyai sistem yang sama supaya dapat melahirkan pelajar yang dicita-citakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Puan Juhaini Saib, Pengetua Sekolah Menengah Islam Abim Sungai Ramal dengan singkatan SEMI Abim. 3 lingkungan kebitaraan SEMI merupakan kesinambungan 3 kebitaraan seri, iaitu pembudayaan Al-Quran, haraki dan lestari. Pertama, pembudayaan Al-Quran, iaitu untuk melahirkan para pelajar yang berakhlak dengan akhlak Al-Quran yang dapat mentadabur, seterusnya mengamalkan ajaran Al-Quran dan Sunnah dalam kehidupan pelajar itu sendiri. Contohnya, bacaan Al-Maksurat dan juga surah pilihan pada setiap pagi. Justru haraki, dalam konteks seorang pelajar di mana mereka mempunyai elemen perjuangan di dalam masyarakat secara amal jama'i. Contoh, program melaksanakan pengagihan keperluan asas kepada fakir di sekitar kawasan sekolah pada bulan Ramadan. Lestari, di sini bagi melahirkan pelajar yang dapat mentadabur alam dengan mengambil ibrah di dalam Al-Quran. Contoh, pelajar melakukan penanaman hidroponik dan juga menghias kawasan persekolahan. Kami berharap daripada setiap pelajar yang telah mendapat pendidikan di Sekolah Abim ini mempunyai iltizam yang tinggi dan komited dalam memberikan sumbangan kepada agama, bangsa dan negara. Sekian, terima kasih.
Without ado, I welcome Madam Rogaya Binti Sabli, the headmistress of Sri Abim Sungai Ramal, to give an opening speech and remarks.
Auzubillahi samil alim minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's our pleasure to welcome our honorable guest, Dato' Prof. Fauzanuddin from IIUM, and the madam also present here, Prof. Yuri Ishida and Prof. Yuki Shiozaki from Japan. First of all, I would like to introduce you to our administrators here. Beside me is our CEO, Ustad, or we call Mr. Nazir Saifuddin Abdul Rahim, our CEO. I'm the headmistress of primary school. And Madam Johani Saif, the principal of the secondary school. Also present with us here is our senior assistant from Student Affairs Secondary School, and Design and Robotics subject from secondary school. Forgot this. Our teacher from primary school who teach Design and Robotics. And we are fortunate today because also present here is our coordinator of the Robotic Club, Cik Hairul Hamzani. He's currently a lecturer at MFI, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, as what we have seen in the corporate video just now, our school has started the operating since 33 years ago. It's an integrated school combining the academic subject and the religious subject, especially from the Takmir Foundation, owned by ABIM, and also Selangor Religious Department. So the students will start the schooling time from 8 a.m. in the morning until 4 p.m. in the evening. Such a long time. And they will do the prayer here, the duha, the sunat prayer, the Zohor prayer, and the Asar prayer. At the moment, we have about 1,200 students, comprising from the primary school and the secondary school, 1,200, with about 100 teachers. In this 2 acres land. It's so crowded during the peak time, in the morning and evening. Okay. As you have known, our school, it's a private school, an Islamic private school, which the school fees is not that expensive. It's about 400 and something for primary and secondary, not come to 500 per month. And with this quite a tight budget, it's quite difficult for us to have things that will enhance the study of design and robotics. Although we have the robotic club, not all the students are able to enter the club, right? Cik Harul Hamzani, only a few. I think about, is it 10%? Not come to 10%. Actually, we know the importance of the subject, but not all the students are able to involve in that activities. It's just that they will study the robotic element. Is it how many hours per week? 2 hours. So, 2 minggu. Okay. So we have the Ministry of Education of Malaysia. They've just started this subject 2014. It's about 8 years, so it's quite new. Malaysian keep on changing the subject from the living skill, the robotic, the design and robotic. Okay, keep on changing as the government changes. Okay, so as we know, Japan is quite advanced in the technologies. I've been there 2015, if I'm not mistaken, and I can see such a country with all the facilities, with different kind that I've not seen in Malaysia. Just for example, the switch of this fan and light is so different and very advanced. And I feel jealous because I know Japan, if they want to have something advanced, they do it themselves. But Malaysia, they have to import from Japan or Korea or China. So maybe from my point of view, Malaysia want to have this kind of subject because maybe in future we want to have more inventors, more innovators. Who knows? 10 to 20 years to come, Malaysia can produce our own products. Okay, so inshallah, we are looking forward for a fruitful, for a generous collaboration between our school with IIUM in particular, and also two professors from Japan. We hope for the best, inshallah. With that, I end my speech. Thank you.
Thank you to Madam Rogayah binti Sabli for the opening speech. Ladies and gentlemen, now I invite our guest representative, Professor Datuk Dr. Muhammad Fauzan bin Nordin, to deliver his insights.
And thank you very much, Cik Nazir, the CEO of the schools, Puan Rogaya, teachers, I can't remember the names, and Joe Hailey, and the rest teachers and the students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With us, Dr. Ahmad Shiozaki from Shizuoka University. And Dr. Ahmad was here. He's our alumni from International Islam University. 10 years been in Malaysia. We just came back from Bentong, ya, boleh cakap Melayu. In fact, makan budu and tempoyak just now. Durian. He enjoyed. He said 3 years tak makan durian. And one durian in Japan cost one piece, sebiji RM300. Am I right? Yeah, RM300. No. Yeah, so and of course with us also Dr. Yuri Ishida from Okayama University. Okayama stands for Yama is the mountains. So, and my wife, Professor Dr. Rosina Osman, Dr. Rosina Osman, and thank you. And actually, Cik Puan Groya, the headmaster said, we want to learn from Japan. You're jealous Japanese, but actually they come here to learn from us. Yeah, something else. How we integrate the humanities and digital together. They want to learn from us how we integrate the Islamic values in our school. And just now we went to MRSM Bentong. Of course, this is the only technical MRSM in Malaysia. And of course, they have proper budget and proper infrastructure. And they are boarding school. But I said after you see the proper budget and proper infrastructure, why don't we come to these private NGOs, I can say NGOs, school, but we are the best Islamic school in Selangor. We won couple times, couple years for the good result. Even though we are private, less budget, the fees not much, but the student, you can see the motivation and the commitment from our students, and of course from our teachers and our headmasters and CO. I'm proud of it because I'm one of them. All my children study in Seri Abim in this kind of schools. Then I was the president of Abim, MSD Abim in United Kingdom. I was the ESCO of Abim. Now Abim stands for Malaysian Youth Islamic Movement. But I'm no longer youth, so we form another NGO called WADA after 40s, but similar objective. So thank you very much. They are here to study because in Japan, they feel that I think Dr. Ahmad and maybe Dr. Yuri will explain more that science and technology not just belong to science and technology people. Digital and ICT should belong to humanities too. So they are in the process or in the preparation to come out the curriculum that suit to the humanities, like education, sociology, psychology, and so on. So they come here to studies, and Dr. Yuri got a research grant, so they present to us 2 days ago, and now is to site visit, and hope Dr. Yuri will get feedback and do proper research observation. I think thank you very much, and Alhamdulillah, inshallah, we can collaborate more with this school. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Professor Datuk Dr. Muhammad Fauzan Nordin, for the speech and insights. Ladies and gentlemen, now let us welcome Mr. Muhammad Shafiq bin Khairul Anwar from Semi Abim Sungai Ramal to present his slides on RBT subject.
Test. Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq and I'm a RBT teacher from secondary school Abim. So today, in this evening, I would like to present a syllabus RBT for secondary school. Okay. Next. Alright. So for your information, RBT will learn by lower form students, and the syllabus is made by KSSM from the Ministry of Education Malaysia. So if you can see here, Form 1 have 6 topics, Form 2 have 7 topics, and Form 3 have 3 topics. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the cover of textbook. So here, if you can see, Form 1 have 6 topics. Okay, first is introduction of RBT. Second is project management. Project management means when they got a project, so how they manage the project, how they build a team to complete the task lah. And then third chapter is project brief. Fourth is drawing. They learn about obliques drawing, isometric drawing, perspective, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, perspective drawing. And then they will jump to applications design. So for the Form 1, we'll learn about fertigation design, about the plant, okay, about irrigations and fertilization. So they combine the design, how to grow a plant, okay. Lastly, they will learn about fashion design, Okay, so how they make clothes, how they make a accessory, how to do a draft about the fashion. So they will learn in this chapter. Next, okay, we will go to the Form 2 syllabus. So this is textbook Form 2. First chapter of Form 2 is inventive problem solvings. Okay, so how they, when they got a problem, how they solve the problem in the correct way. So they will learn about step by step lah uh, how to solve the problem. Okay, the second is production of technology. Okay, production of technology, they will learn about the methods, the correct methods to make some products. Okay, for example, to make a table, what's the methods they will use? Okay, what's the tools they will use? Okay, so they will learn in the second chapter. So the third chapter is mechanical design. Okay, for example, they will learn about gear. Okay, how the gear operates, how the lever operates. So they will learn in this chapter. Fourth is electricity design. They will learn about circuits, series circuits, parallel circuits, about volt, resistance, and so on lah. Okay. And the fifth one is electronic design. Okay, so electronic design, they will learn about input, output, process, the component, what is digital input component, what is analog input component, and about robotic. Okay, about our robotic, they will learn in this chapter. They will focusing in this chapter. Okay, electronic design. So they will learn about the flowcharts, about the codings in the simple way. Okay, next is aquaponic design. Okay, aquaponic design, they will combine the aqua, the fish, and then with the fertigations designed before. All right, and lastly is about foods and beverages. Okay, how to they produce packaging of foods, how they mix of foods. Okay, next is Form 3. Okay, okay, so this is a project made by the Form 2 students, which is the LED project. Okay, so they will use the Arduino microcontroller. Okay, and the coding is in the inside of the microcontroller. Okay, so next is Form 3. Okay, this is the textbook of Form 3. Okay, Form 3 consists of 3 topics, which are mechatronic design. So for your information, mechatronic consists of 4 elements: mechanical, combining with 4 elements: mechanical, electronic, electric, and coding. Okay, so they will learn about the products, and then they will analyze. Okay, for example, car control. So what's the element inside the car control? What the parts? What the components in the car control? Okay, so about robotic also, they will learn in mechatronic design. Okay, next next chapter is product development. Okay, so the interesting part about Form 3 syllabus is they will produce their own product. Okay, their own product in this chapter. All right, the second chapter, product development. So they will apply what they have learned before. Okay, from Form 1 and Form 2, also Form 3, mechatronic design, to make a product. So they have a project in this chapter. Okay, so also robotic also can be applied in this chapter. And lastly is about marketing. Okay, so when they have produced the product, so how they want to sell, how they want to commercialize their product. Okay, this is one of product made by my students, which is smart dustbin or automatic dustbin. So you will see after this lah about this dustbin. Okay, so this is our computer lab. Okay, So if they learn about the coding, about the electronic one, they will come to this computer lab besides the class itself. Okay, so about the robotic one, we have several program, and then one of it is my digital maker. Okay, so my digital maker is a talk about a talk, okay, a speech about robotics and technologies. Okay, so the student will the student have participates about this program about around 50% of the students have participate this program, and this program is made by Ministry of Education also. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shafiq, for the presentation. Next, please welcome Madam Hawaria binti Mahbar to deliver her presentation on the same subject, but for Seri Abim Sungai Ramal.
Actually, I'm not feeling well today, but I'm trying. Yeah. Technology and Design Committee. Panitia Reka Bentuk dan Teknologi. Okay. My name is Hawaria binti Mahbar. I'm a chairman of Technology and Design Committee, which means Ketua Panitia Reka Bentuk dan Teknologi. Ketua Panitia. Okay. Okay, our syllabus. Okay, Ministry of Education Malaysia. Okay, target groups. Okay, kita ada level 2 only. Year 4, year 5 and year 6 only. So, year 4 we've got 6 topics. Year 5, 4 topics, and year 6 about 3 topics. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is our cover textbook. Year 4, year 5 and year 6. This is what we call that, the new curriculum for our school. Yes, starting this year, budak-budak tahun ini, this year, year 6. This they are the first batch for this new curriculum, KSSR, right? Okay, this one, Unit 1. We've got 6 topics. Workshop safety, very basic. For the year 4, very basics. Keselamatan bengkel, introduction to design, pengenalan kepada reka bentuk. Okay, technology, introduction to technology, pengenalan kepada teknologi, packaging design, food design and programming design. Okay, we learn about ICT here, programming design. Year 4 we learn about Scratch, Scratch and the flow, a flow chart, how to make a coding, in Unit 6, Unit 6 programming design. Okay. Okay, for year 5, 4 topics: household technology, teknologi rumah tangga. That means sewing, menjahit, di situ. Masakan, household cooking, okay, household technology. And in Unit 2, engineering, technology, design, applications, aplikasi teknologi, kejuruteraan teknologi dan reka bentuk. Bagaimana diaplikasikan, okay, di situ. And then of course programming design and We've got agricultural technology, pertanian. Ada pertanian. So, as we know, programming design, there are the ICT, what we call that, include over there, inside programming design, okay. Okay, year 6, okay, got only 3 topics because ada 3 saja kerana kita dah combine, kita dah buat continuous syllabus from year 4, year 5 and year 6. Then over there, the product development. The students will be able to produce their product by their own in year 6. Okay, robotics. So dekat sini juga, unit 3. Unit 3, product development. Di situ ada robotik dan kita akan tengok di bawah. Macam tapi di bawah nanti ada, insyaAllah. Okay. Okay, year 4 activities. Okay. Parts of, ini sebahagian sahaja. Antaranya 3D pen. Okay, 3D pen. Saya nak fokus tentang introductions of technology, my dreams car and 3D pens. Ini yang antaranya yang kita nak fokus. Apa yang kanak-kanak buat? Okay, di sini. Okay, kita okay di sini. This one in the workshop, our RBT workshop, dekat bengkel RBT. Di dalam bengkel RBT tadi tak ada tunjuk gambar. RBT, RBT, makmal RBT, dia panggil bengkel RBT. So dekat situ anak-anak buat ni lah, 3D pen. Ini pengenalan tentang teknologi, baru dia punya basic. Okay, penghasilan dia. Okay, purpose do group activities for 3 credit hours within 3 weeks. First, teacher explain. The second week, they will design their own, how to create their own aeroplane. So the third week, they have to produce. So 3 weeks, within 3 weeks. Okay. So this one, the learning outcomes, pupils can create their own designs like that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This one is My Dreams Car, Introductions of Technology. Okay, they make their in group, okay, their own creativity, how to cut the cardboard, okay, to make a car like this. Okay, this one 4 credit hours, 4 weeks, 2 weeks to finish all their stuff. All their project, they have to finish it in 2 weeks. As usual, the first week, teacher will explain. The second week, they do their design. And the third and fourth, they do their project. Okay. And in here, dalam ni, kita ada falsafah pendidikan Al-Hikmah. Kat sini mereka diajar sabar. Kita ada falsafah pendidikan Al-Hikmah. Setiap pengajaran di situ kita ada mengajar bagaimana mereka kolaborasi sesama mereka dan sabar. Masa ni mesti ada yang nak cepat buat. Masing-masing kan, anak-anak kan nak cepat. Masa tu mereka kena belajar sabar. Kita ada masukkan, kita add on falsafah Al-Hikmah dalam kita punya syllabus. So kita ada itu. Okay. Okay, the next. Okay, the learning outcomes, like that. Okay, pupils can create their dreams car design. Okay, dream car design, alright. Okay, year 5, coding and solar, but we cannot, today I cannot show you the solar because, bukan, okay, okay, coding. They learn about coding, programming design at the lab, computer lab. Okay, pupils do group activities for 3 credit hours. Within 3 weeks, they create their own basic animations. Okay, such as people walking. Dia akan buatlah Okay, this one is the basic yang starting point. The first step, they want to go further in year 6. This one is the first step, coding. Okay, and in year 4, they just learned about how to make a flow chart. But in year 5, they will start learn how to coding. Okay. Okay, year 6 activities. Ni yang menarik sangat ni, interesting. Di sini. Okay, so product development, plant control micro robot, money saving robot. 2 project for year 6. Alright. Okay, take a look. Product development, plant control micro robot. We use Arduino, how to say it? Arduino Uno. And M-block. Okay, the apps are M-block. Okay, this one is the parts of the component we have to put inside the robot. Okay, kita akan tengok nanti kat bawah. Okay, this one, how to put it inside the box. Okay, that's all. Okay, the other activities. Okay, sewing. Right. We make a food design and the packaging design. Okay, it's parts of the activities, right? And okay, this is for the apa jamu mata. Okay, all the students project creativity. Okay, food. All right, that's all. Thank you. Okay.
Let me add on just now, Madam Hauria did mention about Sabar. Actually, all the academic subjects in the school, including primary and secondary school, in the academic, we have the philosophy of Al-Hikmah, whereby we instill all the good values during the teaching and learning session. The teacher will always stress on sabar, be patient, we don't quarrel, you don't fight among your friends when they do in group activities. So it's always instilled during all the subject, not only the religious subject. That is maybe one of our uniqueness, inshallah.
Next, we are going to listen to a presentation by Mr. Khairul Hamzani bin Hamid, founder of Robotic Club Sri and Semi Abim Sungai Ramal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. First of all, thanks Prof. Fauzan, Prof. Rosma, Dr. Yuri, and Prof. Ahmad. Okay. First of all, related to the club, okay. My name is Khairul, represent as a trainer actually for under company Innova Board, okay. Trainer for Sri and SME, concentrate on robotic lab, okay. And for your information, normally for 1 month we conduct 2 sessions, okay. From 4 o'clock up to 6, okay. Normally for extra activities, okay, handled by non-teacher. Okay, how come? Wait. Wait. Second one. Wait. Is it? Okay. Okay. Okay now. So the content normally for seri, okay, for seri, we go for Lego Mindstorm EV3, okay, and referring to the software itself, which is Lego software, and some of Lego project for one session for 1 year. Mostly we cover about 5 modules, something like that. Okay, and there also microcontroller Arduino, also using a software which is covered. One is Arduino itself, Arduino software, and also M-Block for year 4, 5, and 6, referring to M-Block for tingkatan 1, is it? Kan? Form 1, sorry. Form 1, 2, and 3, referring to C language, which is Arduino. Okay. For 3. Okay. So these are the set, which is referring to Lego Mindstorm EV3. And these are the program, okay, referring to a block structure, okay. And these are the syllabus, which is cover on speed race, moving, catapult, sumo robot also, okay. Basketball, goalkeeper, fly trap, super crab, dinobot, some which is crocodile, alien bot, walking silly bot, something like that, car not crash. So almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is around 12 modules, something like that, for Lego itself. And also for the class is not directly Lego, but 1 week for Lego, another week will be on Arduino. So Arduino will be on the programming side. So these are the board itself, which is Arduino Uno. And these are sample of M-Block program, okay, which is mostly for year 3, 4, and 5. And the activity is in the group, which is one module consists of 2 members. Okay, one normally will be concentrate on assemble, and another one will concentrate on the programming side. So for Arduino, there was a running light project, traffic light, music box with running light, auto gate, advanced auto gate, and ultrasonic project. Is it fast? Is it okay? Prof, okay. So for semi, which is higher one, okay. This one mostly is concentrate for microcontroller, because our module is related to the existing syllabus that they involve, so that whatsoever that they involve in during the class, during the club, also can be applied for their product design, especially for subject RBT. So we try to integrate between the club activity and also the class activity also. Okay, so these are the environment which Arduino IDE involved on C language, but not up to the university level, just for the student level. Okay, and for the activity for semi, it cover running light, traffic light, music box, okay, and also normally it's the same as the previous activity for year 4, 3, 4, and 5. The difference is that the tool, which is one is referring to M-Block, for other one they use C programming. So I assume that when they go for university, there will be no issue of shocked in terms of the programming side. So these are some activities, some picture related to the activities, which is covered normally in computer lab. Okay, they bring their own set of Arduino. But for Lego Mindstorm, normally it been bring by the Innova board, which is the partner with school. Okay, these are some activity related to Lego itself. Okay, and inshallah after this we're going to see some of the sample related to Lego. And also programming, okay, session. Okay, that's all on my side. Is it okay? But I believe after this there will be a session, maybe Q&A on Prof. Yuri, Dr. Yuri, Yuri and Yuri. Quite similar. Okay, well. Okay, I'm giving back to the MC.
Next, our guests, accompanied by the headmistress and Madam Principal, will be taken to see the innovative product created by Seri and Semi Abim students at the school library.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pertama, minta maaf, kami sangat lambat. Ya, macam Profesor Datuk Fauzan tadi berkata, kami ada rawatan kepada Bentong Sekolah Malah di Pahang. Kalau kami pergi ke Pahang, kami mesti makan durian. Saya makan 1 biji Musang King, 2 biji, 3 biji. Ulas. Ya, sudah 1 jam lambat. Ya, tapi ya, kami sangat gembira jumpa murid-murid, tengok puncak silat mereka dan lawatan ke kawasan ini. Masa saya belajar di Universiti Surab Antarabangsa dan mengajar di sana, saya ada banyak kawan-kawan ABIM dan PKPIM, macam Dr. Yusri Muhammad, Dr. Muhammad Raimi, mereka kawan lama saya. Lawatan ini dari Jepun, dia Dr. Ishida adalah ketua delegasi. Saya pembantu. Saya Ahmad Shiozaki dari Universiti Shizuoka, Profesor Madia. Dia ketua sebab ini program Universiti Okayama. Projek itu dibawa Kementerian Pendidikan dan Sains Jepun. Projek itu untuk membangun kurikulum baru untuk secondary level, IPT juga. Itu integrasi digital teknologi dalam kurikulum. Bukan untuk engineering atau programming sahaja. Integrasi digital skills dengan geografi, bahasa, sastra, pertanian, bukan robotik sahaja, tapi deep learning, artificial intelligence, data analysis, atau geographical information system, itu untuk membangun knowledge based society untuk generasi yang akan datang. 100 tahun lalu, datu nenek saya adalah petani dan nelayan. Anak mereka, orang tua saya, masuk universiti, kerja di syarikat, duduk di Tokyo, dan cucu saya ada PhD, profesor di universiti. Macam orang lain, Korea Selatan, China, Malaysia, anak lebih kaya dari datu nenek, dan cucu lebih kaya dari ibu bapa. Bagaimana anak kami jadi lebih kaya dari kami? Itu objektif knowledge based society. Ya, masyarakat Jepang ya ada manufacturing, ada Toyota, buat otomobil, tapi ya ada Hyundai, ada Samsung. Sekarang syarikat Cina juga ya excellent manufacturing. Bagaimana ekonomi Jepang akan jadi lebih sejahtera, successful untuk generasi anak kami. Mungkin solusi itu digital transformation, mungkin, insyaallah. In many fields, macam ya pertanian, yang tourism, marketing, digital skills, digital transformation, mungkin akan jadi more value additional industry. Mungkin. So, pendidikan itu macam investment. Anak kami akan jadi lebih kaya dari kami dengan pendidikan, insyaallah. Dan proyek ini bawa Kementerian Pendidikan dan Sains, itu ya agenda terbesar adalah membangun kurikulum baru, tapi kerjasama antara bangsa juga satu agenda. Kerjasama digital transformation dalam pendidikan di negara-negara Asia, dan kami mau tengok pendidikan digital, pendidikan atau aktiviti di sekolah tentang digital skills. What do they do? How are they teaching? And what can we do in collaboration with the process of the development of digital skills education in Japan? Itu objektif lawatan ini. Itu yang bermula tahun ini. Dan pertama kami perlu tengok ya lawatan dan tengok dan ya Dr. Ishida dia anjur textbook subjek digital atau robotics. Kalau ada textbook dijual, ya kami mau ya kalau ada dijual, ya. So, ya, terima kasih.
Thank you. I can't speak Malaysian, sorry. So I just represent my appreciation to you, all over you. And I think that Dr. Shiozaki explained what I want. I think, sorry, I didn't understand. Yeah, but you're the boss. Okay. No. He managed this to me. So my university has started the digital education, and I got a PhD in Islamic studies. So I just want to add something. Not just educate digital skills. Add something to educate them Islam religion. So you are the Islamic school and you educate digital skills like robot clubs like you. So that's why I came here, and I want to learn much from you, and I want to make a relationship with Japan and Malaysia. So thank you.
And now the ceremony has come to its end. Once again, thank you for everyone gracing our ceremony with your presence. We truly appreciate it. On behalf of the organizing committees, I would like to apologize if we have done any mistakes throughout the event. I end my duty as a master of ceremony today, event with wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.